अगर मैं सेक्टर्स की भी बात करूँ, लाइक आप अभी कौन से ऐसे स्पेसिफिक सेक्टर्स है जिस पे आप काफी बुलिश हो, या तो कौन सा थीम है आपके हिसाब से विच विल प्ले आउट इन द फ्यूचर, considering the fact that अभी markets have been very volatile in the last like 6 months, and it's like down by 20% from the all time high from September. तो अभी जो भी इन्वेस्टर्स है उनको क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, कौन से सेक्टर्स पे बेट करना चाहिए, व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस टू देम?
सो अगेन देयर आर टू वेज टू लुक एट इट। एक तो होता है कि सेक्टर्स व्हेन दे आर गोइंग थ्रू अ बैड फेज एंड दे बिकम अट्रैक्टिव एंड देन वी बेट ऑन दैट। सेकंड होता है कि सेक्टर्स व्हिच आर इन अ गुड फेज, देयर इज अ मोमेंटम इन दैट सेक्टर, और वहां पे पैसे बनाएं। देयर आर टू बोथ वेज टू लुक एट इट। तीसरा क्या है कि हर किसी को हर सेक्टर की समझ नहीं होती है। मे बी अगर 20 सेक्टर्स हैं तो आपको 2 सेक्टर, 3 सेक्टर, 4 पे ग्रिप होगा, आप हर सेक्टर में स्ट्रांग नहीं हुए। तो एक तो मैं बियॉन्ड मेरे कंफर्ट ज़ोन के मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाता, and that is where the role of systems comes, the role of, I have a system called Simba, Scientific Investing Market Breadth Analyzer. I'll just show you some
Yeah,
screenshots of
sure,
how I pick sectors.
sure.
So everything is not like I know this sector. Sometimes sectors, I don't put my brain until something comes in the system. So the stock or sector has to come to you rather than, you go and try. So this is a tool which is live again for my subscribers for last 2 years, and every month we do a recording. So these are captured on the website in the tool. This was June 23. If you see in June 23, pharma started coming.
So,
Take
so,
these.
so so how can one get access to this tool अगर
So
हमको चाहिए
all
तो?
these were part of a practitioner subscription.
Okay.
अभी उसको hold पे रखा हुआ है because of again regulatory reasons. So the old subscribers, they have access, but temporarily we have kind of closed subscription. We will open it again.
Okay.
So people can just keep following my YouTube or
Sure.
Twitter. I'll make an announcement.
Hmm.
Uh, so these scores are momentum scores of a sector. So when a sector has to make money, the price has to go up. All the majority of stocks have to go up, and then momentum will come. And if the score is high, that means paisa banega. You can see pharma. This is June 23. So you can see Jan 23 to March, and market भी इस समय reverse हो रहा था. Not every sector started with same level of momentum in the same month. सब अलग अलग टाइम पे शुरू हुए. This is how I see कि सिस्टम में कहाँ क्या मोमेंटम में आ रहा है. This is a momentum perspective.
इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन क्या है 66 एंड
So
83?
higher the score, more the momentum in the sector, more the chances of making money.
एंड मोर द
Pure
मोमेंटम मतलब क्या
more the
एग्जैक्टली?
momentum मतलब कि प्राइस उतना स्ट्रांगली ऊपर जा
ओके।
रहा है, उतने सारे, अगर इस सेक्टर में 100 स्टॉक्स हैं तो 100 में मे बी 70 स्टॉक्स अच्छा कर रहे हैं प्राइस वाइज.
ओके।
That is how you have to take it. Pure technical system on the momentum side, no fundamental here. If you see auto I showed you. Auto, if you see, auto was already doing well. Auto kept doing well. 2023, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Look what happened in auto 6 months back. So you saw my tweet on auto. I am talking of inventory issue. My system is also telling me momentum is getting lost. So this is how sectors come and sectors go out of radar. So I am, of course, I have some grip over 4-5 sectors, but I also use systems to generate ideas on which sector to look at. If you ask me right now, none of the sectors. Healthcare को छोड़ के मेरे system में कुछ नहीं है. I mean, the scores are all 20%, 30% kind of. So I don't want to put lot of brain technically, because technically nothing is there. So question is, what is there fundamentally now? Fundamentally, if you ask me which sector to look at, see again, there are markets which are bottom up and there are markets which are top down. The only sector which has some strength right now, and you can easily do it. All you can do is, there is a very beautiful tool called Charting. You can go and you can find which are the companies which are, uh, you know, near their 52-week high. Just 5% से ज़्यादा नहीं गिरा है. अभी इस मार्केट में 70% the stocks have fallen 30%. So if you find which are the company which have fallen less than 5% from 52-week high, you will hardly get 40, 50, 60 companies. उसमें 3-4 बकेट की कंपनीज हैं. एक है हेल्थ केयर की कंपनीज, उसमें कुछ फार्मा कंपनीज ये सब हैं, CDMO companies, some of them are there. The other set is companies which have not performed for last 3-4 years. उसमें आपके बजाज फाइनेंस, कोटक ये सब आएंगे. Then you have companies, third set of companies which have been doing well and continuing to do well. So वहाँ से आपको एक स्ट्रेंथ का आइडिया लगेगा. तो अगर आप स्ट्रेंथ के लिए जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे आप देखो तो आपको हेल्थ केयर मिल रहा है, इसमें भी हेल्थ केयर दिख रहा है. The second you have is companies which didn't perform, the large banks and NBFCs like Bajaj Finance, Kotak, HDFC, which are showing strength. Again, because technically तो कुछ है नहीं strength में, तो you have to look fundamentally. Housing finance companies have continued to do well, but because finance में पूरी selling आई है, I think if you look at companies like Aavas, Aadhar, these companies, they are still growing at 20-25%, and they have come down to 2.2, 2.3 book value, less than 20 PE. So these are the some of the sectors, but I am not, aggressively looking at sector right now because कुछ है ही नहीं. So you have to wait for the right opportunity. Let me show you through data. So जो मैंने घूमेगा मचाएगा की बात कर रहा था ना मैं, again price we don't want to discuss. Usually in a good market, this is the date and this is the total count of stock which has come in घूमेगा and मचाएगा. See, 0 stock, 1 stock, 2 stock. अच्छे मार्केट में नंबर घूमेगा के लिए 30-40 होता है, मचाएगा के लिए प्राइस वॉल्यूम के लिए 5-6 होता है. So let the system guide you. There is no point in chasing and finding ideas. Fundamentally ideas हैं जो attractive हैं, but पैसे नहीं बन रहे हैं. तो आदमी थोड़ा थोड़ा पोजीशन ले सकता है, बट सिस्टम हैज टू गाइड की आइडियाज आर स्टार्टेड टू कम. वो रिवर्सल जब तक नहीं होगा पैसा नहीं बनेगा. Again, energy is a sector which I feel it has tailwinds because of things which are happening on the energy side. And renewable energy में again I don't like lot of companies because I like companies जहाँ balance sheet, cash flow सब कुछ मिले. मुझे बहुत companies में नहीं मिलता है. But there are certain companies which are proxy in ancillary. I'm not taking name, but I'm taking the industries. Proxy to ancillary in renewable energy, in wind energy, which have very good cash flow, very good balance sheet, available at 13-14 times valuation. They are also undergoing correction. But if numbers come, where if you go through the some of the latest con call, there is an expectation of margin improvement, there is a double-digit sales growth happening, there is an order book. So one can look at some of those sectors. But इसमें से कौन winner बनेगा? जब तक system में नहीं आएगा, नहीं होगा. So I let my systems decide things to come.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.